This man up there, Raila Amolo Odinga, has really saved the face of Kenya from hungry Kikuyus, who their main agenda was to grab power through the back door. They assassinated, planned, and ended up killing Ogola with the aim of one day taking power through back door using military. And now they've tried through each and every avenue. Joluo, innocent Kenyans who have no idea why they're demonstrating and even being killed to the street so that they don't pay taxes. We now know the agendas. Now that Baba has talked, we see he's going to street. Kikuyu, you are now on your own.